Yes, or we did for Johnny name, Abra Bia and Pamono. Come say Mahama Ayariga, I boko central member of parliament, or say majority leader in parliament. On to me Konu I am the Chrome Boko. Name Pes was Boko Central, on to me Coho. Nina Farment to was in a conflict, as I saw the Boko degree. Now, no mono, and I'll bring you this Ebusa Ayariga say, Ayariga, Dabe Nabeko Kru. Dabe Nabeko Kru, on Pes was Omuhiao, Coho, Omuhiao. Now, like I say, Ayariga so. Blame me, Ekuford and MPP government as Omune share Bokun Tawan Nase. I'll bring a Ebuzan and now Wabemuno. Why and a chassis? I have Penyah block media. Best was any demo. Obey like video, no doubt, my subscribe button, some back keep notification and conflicts updates. Now, better watching their mammy. Ever comments as she must transfer Baswa. No, she don't also any be Asher. Eti Bokun Tawan, I said. And if any be Casa, as a Mukasa, the Bokun started anyway, but Mama history crack. Boko issue started 1931. March 1931 ana Bokun Tawantawa we estate yawo Ekufuado March 1944 say Bokun Tawantawa ko start Ekufuado ne yanwo no started 13 years echi ansa yawo Ekufuado yawo Bawumia 1963 November 1963 say Bokun Tawantawa start ye no almost 32 years echi ansa na yawo Bawumia yawo Mahama 1958 Ayere Bokun Tawantawa start here no 27 years echi answer na yewo Mahama Ayariga awo Bokun Central Member of Parliament no ono yewo 1974 onkwado we small boy onyini ye 1974 say Bokun Tawantawa start here no 43 years echi 43 years answer na yewo Mahama Ayariga enso ene 24 yakwa abatumu Mahama Ayariga ya so Bokun Tawantawa onim ne fare by obeto ye wonim baby asarefie nimu de chance no e ka se eye Bawumia ana etu nsmegu man prison for interim se omuni bako omuni kosase for nenko enti Bawumia ene hye Bokun Tawantawa nase Mahama na ono so no Bokun Tawantawa na start ye e take 27 years echi asna ya wo no a wonim baby adokwan ska ni tini ne nan no Mahama ekwejina platforms blame Ekufuado and Bawumia ese eye omu ena ewo Bokun to omu na jese omu ka she Ghana for interim se omu create some kind of picture bi e ma Ghana for tiase se ene Bokun kura no eye Bawumia ene Ekufuado apenya su na Bokun Tawantawa start omu create scene e ma Ghana for tiase se Bokun conflict no eye it started just 8 years ago ase MPP Bawumia na Ekufuado betena so no ana Bokun conflict start here miwa the fight started 1931 Mahama nangasa ne enwo no wonim ho hwe enzo wutumi blame Ekufuado edi gu nanim ase gu Bawumia no ase Bawumia na supply man prison for etuo so bu mfa nkunkun wo mu ho ewo ho yeto aba Mahama ana rene anu appointed Mahama Ayariga awo ye Bokun Central Member of Parliament no appointed as majority leader now Mahama Ayariga eti Accra ana Bokun for ekunkun wo mu ewo ho no ono ne mpes waso ontimi nko ni fie wo ho no no omatwaja atum action I say amanfo kwa there no say we see one ma omatwitwa nse kan in fact omeboni tuo ekono na anumu no ana Abronye dis ebusa Mahama Ayariga say wontimi ntina obi e constituency na wonya nwonyam constituency Bokun Central ho ne yeto abama wo enya Accra koho omuhia obese ne koho omuhia
me o ka mentie MPP fo ne betia ye MPP asem se NDC president Mahama beka say owo opposition no ensem bi wo ha wanka ne ye enti omomfa nche ode ye politics ankoyia eno no ye MPP fo asem omo ne beti MPP tia MPP asem MPP no nko ana meme nko MPP tenken ko na meme tenken ko dia asie no na ye beka ye be ma Ghana fo awu asese Ghana fo bisa President John Dramani Mahama say na Ghana tia nka ye kokoto aba handing over power e de manana say ufa ha anrobre ufa ha mobile vendor fo dwane ufa ha ye de unga ufa ha dollar ira say na tia ka Ghana fo kokoto aba e ma ne bedi president ya na question ya bisa no woni IGP dia that's what ya presidential candidate ya nen say nyame adomo say Abronsama domo and ade win 2024 elections no eno de ye wo asema say nyame adomo say Abronsama domo ye wo asema but yet that sorry ya obi a wo promise say wo be make sure say police visibility be ya adwuma tokrom ba bia enyam na meka page 54 of your own manifesto no page 54 eka ho asem na security and public safety sana o heading no page 54 security and public safety and o katira ye say uba enhance police visibility and patrols in neighborhood and public spaces. Na lengo senior high hona ye koku nkra miensa no. Police visibility ne na wo fine. Ye bisa okosa o, me de me bisa o. Am people for na bisa me de me bisa o. Because high ne de nya am people show. Mimi show. Ti so mo na suro no mo misa de a. Ha de mimi show. Me bisa o. Ye bisa o say wo President John Dramani Mahama on can page 54 of your own manifesto 2024 resetting Ghana say over enhance police visibility and patrols in neighborhood and public spaces. You are telling us today say na legal senior high Bawku and ne environment no and your public space into police visibility ne nuruwa. Now, I am surprised. Say yeti kroma near what security. Not that so-called security analysis for no money nam kroma and this is a DNA chrono and a bribe dia omunya hu white envelope na atu omone nkwase akeka SAS Ghana security analyst for na womone nam kroma no ade a omutiri anso ma committee akwa hu white envelope na atu omone nkwase akeka and the next day no yenya fra omo a kwase akeka nko a mo wa ban mu so yi sa the so-called security analyst for na womu yafu no mu deti krom hanom aban ne fra mo sika wia adwene nya adwuma biem no wo yi no free wa nti inspector general police obi a wakoboko ama wa nkasa wo ka ho producer mo nhwehwe bra tete Yohunu call boko no ne ka na wo mo kire ni wo mu protect wo honom no mo de ye politics say police fo ni soldier fo mu di kan call boko e ko make sure say asundue baba ama school fo ho saw no police fo na mo one secondary school ho nyina na mo bo ho ban mo de eno aye politics say wo mo ye MPP fo enti mo withdraw mo nyina enti mo the new ayi security ayi ena ekwa akogu boko enti mo anya adwene say enkra e wo ho asese ye ko protect wo mo anya adwene kama mo ye politics say yes sir men a wo mo wo boko no mo nya adwene say mo ba sesa binum because mo fi so mo ye MPP for yate. But ye can't. The so-called MPP security men for no more no. And then nipa we Bawku for na ankasa na ekasa. Bawku for na ankasa na ye press conference. Ekase under na nado Baumia government. Bawku ye amu ye dede nyina no. Enipa ewu ye no. Enipa ba akukura wu a e asem kase ye. But omo ne tre say yeah, nyina womo pesa womo make MPP unpopular no enipa ewu that time less than 50 and now ye ka say enipa awuo our Bawku in Patam, over 300. Where your press conference here, or my year at their tuja. IGP, when I saw respond today. I could say youth president now or year press conference. IGP Inspector General of Police. Tete Yohunu respond. Can they respond? Say, near Kusasi Youth Association President Kayano or Bois Ebesi Nemuntimin challenging. Or sing Crofua war under this government, a year over 300. But I'm people for and nam send that security here, Juma, and Nipa war a less than 50. IGP challenging. Challenge the Kusasi Youth Association President. I say, I want to describe say Aban when current IGP no are super incompetent, of which I side with them. You know my argument. IGP who call IGP can't know. Or call Bawku, talk what you said. You must see a chronomo panel, yet in a samamo. Na se motimitena se edi trogu baomia so ana baomia ana ka ho na ntokwasi kusase ona kubaomia hyase baomia be ye president ya oba kukusase fo nyina ene de kusase youth association fo e ka kire wiase nyina se ne ekoso no sa baomia nim ho he na banwe e super incompetent. And never Baba catch there say, and my young fan your politics. Because my your politics, you know, at the Ajitumia. And I say, oh, catch there say, my young fan your politics, dear. The question we are asking is, say, more, including Mahama Ayariga, President John Dramani Mahama, my you read the same over apologizing to Baumiana. Because someone catch there say, my young fan your politics, dear. When you read the same over apologizing, because you made Baomia unpopular so far as the Bawku Kusasi issue no, my Mamprisi issue no, I concerned. I'm more concerned to no so. I'm a mind Ghana baby. I'm a Casa Baomia ba on fast dream man, and then more bar bonting. I'm a catch they say. We are sorry. We are sorry say. Who damage Baomia? We are sorry, say, who destroy Baomia to gain political power. You are sorry for that. And no one your power now. Oh, Baba catch there say, and my MPP for and find your politics. Yes, maybe I mean find your politics so being conquo. To send your momoke can some say, MPP nisi kusasi asasiswa. Produce a press conference in Oyababo. To send your mo inside. All the kusasis. I catch no musamu and pipini. I will kusao asasiswa. Munkunu. No monama honuano. No MPP will do that. Mimi say me yes sir. I find your politics there. Na momun sama mo kan ye de. Ye be de baby sama. Mon sama mo kan ye edg political power nyankopon twia mo ka. Na obegu so atwa mo ka na me bom paya mebo anse kwana mo fa so de Bawku ayi conflict ni ye politics e di gaining power no a ne mo se ye mfa nche mo obi anya poli me de me nya kwana me bom paya obi biara ode ye politics bia no nyankopon se de akatua no si ba a bi mo dwa na o mo ntimi nkọ constituency wo mo ntena kra ha the next 4 years. Womantina cry the next 4 years because Mutimi man to platform. I catch that voters say a Baomiani MPP and a de Bawku Kusas in Tokwaba. In 1981 in Tokwasi, 1983-84 Bawku Kusasi Mamprisin Tokwa SCA. Now MPP were fine. In 1985 and Tokwani see Asemna kwa ba Supreme Court that time na MPP were fine. Ni political party participation via a mine Ghana. Na ye just PNDC military government and a net so a course. In 1995, a nipa a woo ye, I was asem no. That time na MPP were fine. 1995. 1998, 3 years later, 95 nipa dom, including students. A woo ye. 1998, the na ye wise. Na ye wise. Sanekwa 2011, 2010, 2013, 2015. Bawku conflict and tokwa asie a nipa wuo. Na 2024. The timidina platform so ekase and tokwa na asie no enye kwesase ni mampurisi bia na mom eye MPP fo na efuwale ntokwa no enne MPP MPP if samutimi ka say eye baumia na ye the cause of kwesase mampurisi fight dia today Mahama Ayariga ka kire wiase nyina say ma yemfa nye politics. Yemfanya politics ya Mahama Ayariga, you should be the first Ayariga who panty kura no udane. Enti wunu to me na wo pa wo se nipa nwunu wo panty no udane. Enti na to me no pa de ayere. Obi a wo panty na wato wuram. O de maamie mu nso me mu o. Enso wotimi emanto platform. Inciting voters against MPP because of MPD, because of Kokoni Mansanti, because who apart from Kokoni Mansa, what else? Who panty what to room? One panty yaka near Mema Yeun Yebi. Oh, Mahama Ayariga Bian him say, a Duma Mema Yeun Yebi. And to one Ankasano, to me Ankasana, pa, who see a Nipangunu, now the 2 minutes. One voice, you know, Namu
Ndirika isieba nye bok tempo wontazina de paruma nato na pine bok tempo kone. Anon na me kaka bapuji larve. Ka MPP kaka bapuji larve. Ka mampurse an MPP bani kaka bapuji larve. MPP Ayazu Hakamelia NDC tit kan komna gakala kam kusa se mampurus bebok kasabaka gakala ama MPP ya de usa kam kusa se mampurus wala usabaka anano tukunduba MPP ka mampurus ka sumo MPP la ka sumo Ayazu tina mo vote kangala te vote ni NDC la bekena kage ka bok digin balan tikin bok dal lintang yung ba Ayazu yel tetar kin kusa tengna yel tetar amfani tetar pini tetar pini kaniri tina
Kusasi for ne mamprisi for mo Facebook ni mo nkyerɛkyerɛm samebo ɔse enye MPP ase enye mamprisi asem enye ayi na mom MPP for ba omia die nimu no wo mo na hye ntɔkwa na se nti yehu MPP ye declare 6 constituencies ɛwɔ Bawku ne mpatam si yehu MPP ni bia nti MPP parliamentary candidate 6 constituencies omuntimi nko campaign mo press conference na muntie ne wo mo ankasa NDC constituency executives kan mo press conference no ne yentie ne o mo ka
traditional area and the press conference dated 15 July 2025. Ladies and gentlemen of the press, we begin by expressing our profound gratitude to Almighty God for preserving our lives in these perilous times. We also thank you, the men and women of the media, for promptly responding to our urgent call in this critical moment of betrayal, bloodshed, and impunity. We, the undersigned National Democratic Congress constituency executives from the 6 constituencies within the Kosak traditional area, Denjuri, Bawku Central, Kusiga, Garu, Tempani, and Zabila stand before you today, deeply alarmed and outraged by the deteriorating security situation in Bawku and the total failure of this government to protect the lives, dignity, and rights of the very people who gave them power. On July 30, 2025, the people of Kusab woke up to what can only be described as a state-sponsored assault, not only on civilians, but on the very soul and authority of our traditional leadership. In an appalling and indefensible act, the military desecrated the image of our revered overlord, His Royal Majesty Zuran Bokunaba, by setting ablaze his statue, an act so vile and provocative it amounts to declaration of war on the people of Kusab. The justification for this barbarity, a reported attack by unknown persons on Mampusi buses and the military escort. While we do not condone violence in any form, no civilized or lawful state responds by massacring innocent women and children, invading schools, brutalizing students, and injuring 2 of them. This is not law enforcement. This is state terrorism, and it will not be accepted under any circumstances. Let it be known, the Kusak people have reached their limit. During the 7th December 2024 election, while the rest of Ghana voted for hope and progress, the Kusak people voted not just for development, but for survival, placing their...
Accra had a parliamentary business in the Dubai. Campaign platform beyond what woman to know crying her. Ekika Sansem Hununa Oka, yes, and near Kosas and Imam, we should blame the new patriotic party. So, Mona dear Tuo, Asikai, Ajay, and Ne, Mona Matiswa, MPP a Tuonu, MPP a Dino, MPP a Sekano, and we'll find Mona Matiswa. You are in charge of the security. You are controlling everything. And now, what's 1 year and to voice more Biamo? You are not an MP in Accra. You don't have a constituency in Accra. Mahama Ayariga and the other 5 MPs, they should go to Bawku and apologize to their constituents. Go there and apologize to them. You have no business here. After parliamentary business, you know, only business here. Go there and die with them. Don't stay in Accra. Stop protecting your family in Accra. Take your family back to Bawku. Because it was a propaganda against the MPP to get the vote, and we are sorry. Sorry for what? Sorry, some more voice, you know. More President Mahama voice, and no be president, and Nora Asemo Okai. More the first voice. No more and Nora Asemo Okai, Efahum. Producer Munya.
Unfortunately, any time the peace of Ghana will be disturbed, it is the MPP government that is in power. Recently, I've been hearing some things happening in Bawku that appear to be threatening to disturb the peace there. I just appeal to the people of Bawku area and all those who are stakeholders in what is happening there to exercise patience, exercise restraint. We know that there are some sinister hands who are trying to stoke the fires of ethnic conflict. They should not allow themselves to be provoked to violence. And so please, the people of Bawku area, I'm begging you, I'm pleading with you, remain calm, be restrained, don't resort to conflict. NDC is coming. When we come, we will make sure there is peace in Bawku and surrounding areas. You see, the most dangerous person to avoid is a person who says one thing and does another thing. The most dangerous person to avoid is one who says something today and says something else tomorrow. The most dangerous person to avoid is a person whose word you cannot trust. And in leadership, it is critical that you should be able to trust the word of your leader. Unfortunately, the current crop of leaders we have, Nana Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, you cannot trust anything they say. And as ABA Vusheni said, and I'll pay the copyright for this, He said, if they greet you,
when is some Abronye DC Abeka, Area Mahama Ayariga na or ye Bawku Central Member of Parliament. Now was I majority leader in Parliament. We wait for Amame. Our comment section. I have Penyah Media.